Yo guys, and welcome back to a new video here on my channel. My name is Dan from CryptoRover. Thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video on my channel, guys. Today I will be talking about my price prediction, and this is a very shocking one, to be very honest. But this will be my price prediction for XRP for the coming weeks here, because yes guys, I've been recently opening this trade here on XRP, which you can be recently also seeing here on my channel. You can be still going back into that video as well here, where I was, of course, discussing the possibility to open a long trade position and, of course, to ride this one to new all-time highs. So, guys, in this video, I will be going a little bit more into depth about what I do expect here for the coming weeks here. And, of course, I will be also giving my exact price prediction about it. So, of course, this is a price prediction for the immediate short term here because, yes, in the longer term, I feel even more bullish. But this is, of course, a realistic price prediction for the immediate short term. So, guys, let's go right away into the video. So we are currently looking first at CoinMarketCap, and I'm currently looking at 2018 7th of January, where we're seeing, of course, XRP sitting on P2, right, guys? Currently we see, of course, Ethereum sitting on P2, but in the previous cycle here, exactly 3 years ago, 3 years, and of course a little bit longer than 3 years ago, but we were seeing XRP sitting on P2 here. XRP was sitting on $3.38 here, and of course it was almost sitting it was sitting at this all-time high by then, and of course it was sitting on P2 in the market capitalization. And can we be right now still expecting XRP overtaking Ethereum? I don't think it's exactly out of the books. It's of course always a possibility, and in order, if XRP is going to do so, guys, do a very quick calculation from the point that we're currently trading on, that will be a 10x here. And of course I don't exactly expect a 10x from the position that we're currently trading on, but guys, that will be meaning that we're going to see a 10x from here on, what means that XRP should be trading on $11.49 here. Of course, that's of course sorry, 11. I mean $14.90 here. That's of course an absolutely exciting possibility that we can be looking at. But of course, let's see where this is heading towards, because yes, guys, we are here as well to look at the charts here. But of course, that's just a quick reminder what I do want to be getting to you guys, because yes, guys, we want to be also learning from the past where XRP used to stand. And I definitely still think here to give you, before of course going into the chart here, I still will be saying to you guys, yes, I still expect that XRP can be climbing up in the order. And that is of course also the reason why I'm currently in this long trade opportunity. And of course, guys, if you want to be, I will be going a little bit more into depth about where do you can still open a position. Of course, if you want to be doing so, you can be signing up with Bybit or Famix in the description. I'm currently in both of these exchanges. I'm in a long trade opportunity. As well, guys, what you can be doing here, if you're signing up with Bybit, you're getting a $1,080 deposit bonus. I mean, you're getting a $1,000 deposit bonus and $80 welcome bonus. So if you're already willing to sign up with Bybit, I should definitely say yes, because this is the biggest bonus ever in history. But guys, let's talk a little bit about the charts, why I do feel very excited about. So first, I will be going into the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys. This is a very important one, and I have not been talking about this one in the streams yet. So that is the reason why you definitely want to be watching this video till the end, guys, because yes, on the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys, we are currently forming as well a symmetrical triangle on the daily candles. And this is very important because this pattern, of course, are currently playing out on the daily candles, guys, can be seeing a lot of significance and a lot of volatility getting created, because yes, like I told you in the beginning of the stream, we're still sitting at such low levels compared to the previous cycles. And of course, it's because of the losses that seem to be coming together, but I definitely still think that we're going to go way higher with XRP, because yeah, the fundamentals are on our side, and definitely the chart as well here. So of course you can see move to the upside getting created for XRP compared to Bitcoin. Then we are creating this insane bullish symmetrical triangle. Of course, symmetrical triangle of course is in continuation pattern, and this tends to break out towards the direction where it was starting at. So of course, we created this pattern in a move to the upside, then we are creating this beautiful consolidation, and you can see over here we are having 3 touch points on the lower side, 3 touch points on the top side. So yeah, I can call this exactly a significant pattern. So you may be wondering, what is the breakout target for you then, Rover? So if you look at the potential breakout target currently, that means that we're going to see a 52% increasement compared to Bitcoin. And of course, if Bitcoin is going to increase even further, and will be definitely also playing out and helping the price action of XRP as well. But do I expect that this is everything, a 52% move from here on? Of course, it sounds already very attractive, a 52% move here. But what if I'm going to say you if that we're even going to see a 90% move here in the coming days here? Because yes, if we look to the XRP compared to US dollar valuation, in my opinion, this chart is even looking better. We are seeing, I've been not seeing such a beautiful consolidation in no coin. Literally, no coin is currently giving me such a good opportunity in such a beautiful consolidation period. So That is the reason why I'm once again, of course, making my video here about XRP, because yes, guys, I want to be at the coin with the most amount of returns, and this is currently the position where I would be saying, okay, guys, this coin XRP currently looks very beautiful for potential returns, and I've been telling you guys in the previous streams as well that I've been accumulating my position and that I've been adding more and more to my position once falling. And of course, you can see, yes, the price has been falling a little bit here since 2 days ago. But of course, I was only adding more to my position because then, of course, I'm pushing lower my entry price. And besides that as well, guys, my liquidation price is only getting lower and I'm building up a bigger position with bigger quantity. And because the funding rates are also sitting extremely low right now, it is definitely worth to have a swing trade position open right now. And that is also the reason why I have this position still open. So what can we be expecting for this breakout target, guys? You're maybe wondering. Of course, we first have this major level of resistance around the $1.98 here in front of us, where we were previously getting rejected from. Of course, this is a level from the past here. And guys, we've been previously also looking at the previous scenario, and you can be still finding a video on the channel as well here. So make sure to go back if you don't believe me, but as well discuss this as in every single stream here. But we were anticipating the symmetrical triangle breakout over here, what was of course leading us towards a 230% increasement. So even more. But this was already an insane breakout. But right now, we're of course once again seeing a symmetrical triangle getting formed here. And we are so close to the apex. And I'm not saying that we're going to see the breakout today. The likelihood that we're going to see it today is here, definitely. I'm not saying that we can't see it today, but definitely in the coming week, we're going to see a breakout. Before the end of the week, we're probably already seeing it because we tend to break out earlier and then hitting the apex. So of course, for this breakout target from the point that we're currently trading on, this will be another 86% increasement. And I'm currently, like I told you before here, guys, I'm currently, of course, holding some XRP, but also I'm in a long trade with a 10x leverage. So, of course, I'm already in 60% profit right now. And I mean, for me, this will be approximately a 900 towards 1000 US% trade here. And of course, it is an absolutely big trade here in terms of percentages. It's a 10x for me on. So of course, if you're willing to take it as well here, make sure to sign up in the description here. But it is definitely worth to check out here. Even though if you don't like leverage trading, and do get it, it's of course more risky and you have to be experienced. Only leverage trade for experienced traders, because otherwise you're maybe going to go to Rec City, and that is the thing that I don't want here, guys. Only trade if you have a good strategy, and of course if you know how to do so. And of course, yeah, you can get more potential rewards, but if you don't know how to trade, you can get wrecked as well. And that's of course the thing that I don't like to see here. So 86% move here definitely should be taking your advantage from it. Even though, like I told you before, if you're only spot trading, you can, let's say, sign up with Femex and just spot trade some XRP here. But yeah, this move is definitely a move that you don't want to be missing out here, because yes, guys, of course we can still see a breakdown here. You can be approaching the trade very safe here. You can be waiting for a breakout and of course a confirmation, or you can be already accumulating your position, and once really falling, you will be adding more to your position. So I mean, there are two strategies that you can currently utilize, but I mean, yes, there's always a possibility that we're going to break down here, but especially because Bitcoin is looking good here, Bitcoin is looking bullish, the whales are still eating up Bitcoin, there's still a lot of interest currently in the market. I don't see a reason to really panic sell over here. And besides that, guys, yes, Ethereum has been increasing very significantly, but do you want to be stepping into Ethereum, or do you want to be stepping into these altcoins that are yet to get pumped here? Because the money from Ethereum will be definitely flowing into these other big altcoins. So I mean, currently having a 500 billion US dollars market cap, with XRP only a 50 billion US dollars market cap. So the potential returns are way higher for XRP currently. The likelihood of doubling your initial on XRP is way higher than doubling your initial on Ethereum currently, because there's way more money needed. And besides that, the charts are also looking way more attractive. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Still, I want to be talking about this every single day, guys. I want to be, of course, gaining altogether in this market, and I don't want you guys to miss out here. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, and don't forget to smash up the like button still, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well here, because yes, we are heading towards the 42k. So it would be, of course, very amazing if you're smashing it up right now. And if you, right now, if you're still watching the stream, if you're still watching this video, comment 1, 2, 3 here in the comments. It would be amazing. I will be, of course, giving you a thumbs up here in the comments as well here. It would be amazing if you watch till the end here. And guys, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.